From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. The city of Johannesburg is testing technologies to protect traffic signaling equipment at intersections. Skalkberger has the story.
The Johannesburg Roads Agency is tasked with ensuring good traffic flow throughout the city. In addition to power outages and technical faults, the city faces a significant challenge of theft and vandalism of traffic signal equipment. JRA Mobility and Freight Department Head Sipho Nhlapo details some of the challenges.
Theft of our infrastructure. This is not service delivery failure. We built it there, 1.4 million rands. 2 weeks later, it's gone. At the current moment, in terms of the hotspots, Malibongwe Drive, it's very brutal. Malibongwe and River, we built a traffic light there, 2 weeks down the line, it was gone.
To counteract this challenge of crime and vandalism, the JRA is upgrading the traffic signalling systems. It is laying cables with less copper and using cameras and remote electronic access solutions in the new equipment it is deploying. It is also deploying new technologies to improve traffic flow. Sipho Nhlapo provides some insights into the new AI-powered traffic signaling systems.
So those full VA or vehicle actuators, it means every lane there on the road, it's actually looked at. We also have cameras. If you go to Winnie Mandela Santin Drive, Belez and Komaro, and the other one in Boysens, I forgot with intersection. As your car arrives there, the computers, the controller begins to collect that data and make sense out of that data and then change the timing facings to suit the condition of that road. These cameras, they will take about 14 days to learn the environment. I don't have to go there and do a time and study anymore. These AI cameras will pick up all the data and immediately they will say, we need to open more for this one at this time. We need to open less for this one at this time. We will show you one of the intersection as we drive where we have put some of the things there. So as we rebuild, as we program going forward, we are also beginning to be cognizant of the 4IR, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So we can't be left behind as the city of Johannesburg.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy. And don't forget to listen to the audio version of our Engineering News daily email newsletter.